Welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we're gonna look on a way in which you can be able to add tags to your YouTube videos. How can you be able to add tags onto your YouTube videos? It's very simple. So all you need to do is just log in onto your channel and open YouTube Studio that is on your PC. Then after you have logged in onto your channel that is on your YouTube Studio, you need to visit that is content. This one you just need to click content. Then after you have visited content, you are able to see the various videos that you have uploaded on your channel. So for example, in my case, I will be adding tags on the latest video that I just uploaded. This is a video that I just uploaded and I need to add some tags. So how can I be able to add tags on this video? So all you need to do is just to click this edit button. It looks like a pen, so you just need to click the edit button. And when you click the edit button, you can be when you click the edit button, you can go to edit the title, the description. You can also be able to edit to add and remove tags. Let me scroll down. You can also be able to on this tag tab, you can be able to add and remove tags. You can also be able to, that is to change your video audience. For example, is the video made for kids or is it not made for kids? You can also be able to add a video onto on a playlist. You can also be able to remove that is a video from a playlist. So there are various adjustments that you can go to do on that is on the video. But in this case will be the main topic of this video was how you can go to add tags. So in this video I will be showing you how you can go to add tags onto that is on YouTube video, and also how can you go to generate those tags. So for example, in this case we have this is my video title and I need to add tags on this video. So the first thing that you do, you just need to copy the video title, then open your browser. You open another tab on your browser and type rapid tags generator. Actually I leave this link on my video description so that you just click the link, then you can go to access that is the tags generator. Then you need to paste your video that is your video title here. Then the moment you just click enter, the system will actually generate tags for you. It's an easier way to generate tags, and this is the best way of generating that is YouTube tags, because the system will give you the most optimized tags regarding your video title. So this will help you to boost that is YouTube algorithm, that is when suggesting your content to the right people. So just copy the tags and paste them on that is on the tags tab. This is the tags tab. So you just need to paste. You can just press that is Ctrl V, or you just paste the normal way. Then from there you just need to click save. And when you click saved, all those the tags will be saved that is on your YouTube, and the algorithm can use those tags when suggesting that is your video to the various audience. And that's all we have for today guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.